Guys, welcome to Only Math 12 point. So today we are going to discuss second multiple choice example of geometric progression. Okay, what is given here? The third and eighth term of GP are 4 and 128. Find GP. So options given here as A option is 2, 3, 4, 5. B option is 1, 2, 4, 8. C option is minus 12, minus 144, 168, and D is none. So let's solve. Okay, what is given in the question, guys? Given that the third term and eighth term of the GP are 4 and 128. So first write on that. So T3 equal to, what is the actual general term of GP? Tn equal to a power a into r power n minus 1. So we have to mention in that format. So T3 equal to, because they give third term, right? Okay, T3 equal to a into r power 3 minus 1, that equal to a r square. Simplify. T3 equal to a r square. But T3 is given as 4. Substitute the value. 4 equal to a r square. Keep equation 1. Similarly, find T8 term. That is T8 equal to a into r power 8 minus 1. That implies T8 is given as 128. So it implies AR power 7 equal to 128. This is equation 2. So from 1 and 2, divide 2 by 1. We get 128 by 4 equal to AR power 7 by AR square. After simplifying, we get R value as 2, guys. Here, R value as 2. So put R value in either equation 1 or 2 to get A value. Okay, if you know A value and R value, then we can find any term in the given series. Okay, so I put R value in equation 1. So what we get? 4 equal to AR square. 4 equal to AR square. So 4 equal to A into 2 square. So simplify, A equal to 1 we get. So we got now A equal to 1 and R equal to 2, guys. So substitute the values in GP series. What is GP series? A comma, AR comma, AR square, so on. So A value we got as 1, that is first term. And second term is AR, that is 1 into 2. And third term is AR square, that is 1 into 2 square. Okay, simplify. We get 1 comma 2 comma 4. That is, so see the options. I think B option. Okay, the given series, the solution is B option. That is 1, 2, 4, 8. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.